All right, quick update on the car. As you can see, I removed the wheel wells. The reason being is right here, right here, this little metal, it's gonna hit against the Zeus rails from my hood. I bought a Grand National hood, fiberglass, not, I don't about to say bolt on, but you already know, pin on. So let's walk around, see what we got going on. I went and bought this 660 Raptor because, man, this thing, the fuel pump went out on this. I got frustrated with it, and I didn't want to mess with it no more. Bought a little trailer to get it around and go ride trails. But these are the Zeus rails that go to the hood, and disregard the beer up there. I mean, it is what it is. But this is the other stuff like the fasteners, the ones with the front, the extra aluminum rivets and stuff like that. That stuff adds up though, honestly. Stuff cool was I had to mount the nitrous on this plate and this line lock that we built at work for it. Oh yeah, that wasn't working out for me for whatever reason. The fuel pump went out, so I ended up having to get a brand new Holly pump. I just returned the other one. Just bought a Speedmaster nitrous bottle bracket, fuel cell. God knows how much money in fittings. Battery quick disconnect. Battery on, battery off. Let's do the bumper filler right there. What else do we do to this thing? Oh, that thing's fun right there. I like that. But if you look underneath, it's got a FTI stage 4 transmission, UMI transmission loop. Still leaking fluid a little bit. You can't hardly tell because the fluid is blue because it's that B&M trick shift. What else? What else? What else? Oh yeah, pistol grip shifter. I think that's it, man. I mean, just been working at it, man, trying to get it together, but looking at it, that's really about it. Oh, y'all gotta, this shit right here ain't gonna be no fun to move. Will not come out, all the bolts are gone. I'm going to cut it back there, I'm assuming, on both sides and extend the grounds. But I mean, I guess that comes with the territory. But all in all, that's the update, you know. Toy for getting myself in trouble. The fun thing is I don't even know how to ride a four-wheeler. I didn't know how to until I bought this. And like my neighbors pretty much hate it. I'm like the redneck of the neighborhood and shit. I fired this up. It's all loud because I only got the exhaust off the fender over here. Then I fire this thing up, ride through the neighborhood. Not liking it, but what you gonna do? Can't kick me out. And here goes my Yukon. It's a car that I hate. And I think that about it, buddy. Buddies, plural. Yeah, have a good day.